So guys, we are back with another Toy Story 5 unboxing. I'm very excited for this one. This is one of the toys from this movie that I wanted so badly. We're also joined by Aiden here. Say what's up, bro.
How you doing? Now it is summer.
Yes, it is summer.
Did you mention that already?
Yeah. No, you can.
And my grades are dick cheese, so that doesn't matter because we got
the Play Scale Woody and High Tech Buzz to the Rescue 2-pack. Now, the main reason I want this, first of all, it does come with the High Tech Buzz Lightyear.
Pharaohs.
You could get him for like $10 by himself, but the main reason I want it is because the Poncho Woody is exclusive to this pack, and there's no other toys for the Poncho Woody, and God, do I love his poncho so much. So I'm so happy to finally have these figures. What we'll be doing today, we'll be unboxing, reviewing these, comparing them to some other Toy Story and other figures. But yeah, guys, let's waste no more time. If you guys like Toy Story, you guys like movies, we're gonna show it off after. If you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And let's open this. But first, like Buddy said over here on my left, your guys is right. As you can see, the packaging, you can't really see it, but in the background, it's actually Emily's tire swing from her house, which is really cool. Sides of the box, it says Toy Story 5, Toy Story 5. In the back, we get a cool little shot of the figures together. Looking really... So anyways, let's finally open them.
Sorry. Really get up in there. Oh my god. Really gotta get like...
Yeah, I know.
Thumbnail.
So we got...
Fucking touch my ass.
Well, you're not Buzz.
Well, no, I am not Buzz. I am a higher AI articulated dick version of Buzz.
Wow.
As you can see, my chrome head. Why does he actually have a chrome head?
Oh no, my ass. We're gonna go over to the review station and take a look at these figures. Alright, so first off, we're gonna take a look at the new high-tech Buzz Lightyear figure. Now, there's not a lot different with him other than obviously he's got some more texture. He's got texture on here. He's got texture on this down here. He's got the new high-tech Buzz Lightyear logo, and he's a lot more shiny. He's got the shiny purple. He's got the shiny green. Overall, it looks like a great figure. We'll go over articulation. So his head spins all the way around. Arms go all the way around, and they go up like this, out like that. Does bend here like this, and also swivels here. His hands actually don't spin all the way around. For some reason, the Mattel Buzz Toy Story 5 figures' hands don't spin all the way around. The Toy Story 4 ones do, but for some reason the 5 ones don't. His body spins all the way around. His legs go up this much, back this much, and they also go all the way around like that. You gotta bend at the knees there, and it swivels. Feet don't move at all. Overall, it's a really nice figure. It's the same articulation as a normal Buzz figure. I do want to look. He does have an accessory. He does come with his little horse that they were all running on in that scene, and which is really cool. First of all, it's cheap. Like, it's cheap plastic. It's nothing crazy, but it does have articulation. The legs actually both move like this, which is really cool. Was not expecting that. And if you want, you can put Buzz on there. It's kind of sit him on there. It's not working too... Okay, let's compare him to some other figures. So here he is with the also Toy Story 5 Mattel Interactables Buzz video. I did do a video on these guys. Go check that out. So here he is with him. Again, I still don't like this open mouth stuff, but yeah, there he is. And also, we can take a look at him with the normal Mattel Toy Story 4 Buzz Lightyear action figure. So yeah, there we go. And also, of course, we got to take a look at him with Snazzy Spider-Man. Here he is, a lot taller than Snazzy Spider-Man. You know, he's got some shine, but it's not as snazzy as Spider-Man. I mean, look at that. Like, come on. Like, sorry, Buzz, but you do not beat Snazzy Spider-Man's snazziness. Not gonna lie. But now that we've looked at Buzz, we can look at the one I am most excited for. We have Poncho Woody. He's so tall, we gotta lift the camera up. We have gotten Poncho Woody. Now, I have been so excited. This is the only Toy Story 5 merch I could find for Woody with a poncho. But taking a look at the figure, it's a normal Woody figure, but he does look great. I really like the head sculpt for this Woody figure. You can take the hat off, no bald spot again, sadly. So here's the hat, it's nothing crazy, it's all the same. Taking a look at articulation, again, it's the same as all Woodies. His arms spin all the way around, a little limited by the poncho, of course. They go up like this, bend at the elbows, hands do swivel all the way around. Legs go up that much and back that much, again limited by the poncho, and the knees bend and swivel here. You know, it's a normal Mattel Woody figure, but he does come with this poncho. The details are there, they really just didn't paint it, and it kind of makes sense. It's like really rubbery plastic, so the paint would probably chip off pretty easily. But I'm wondering, can you take this off him? Because it does have a little rip, so I want to see, experiment for you guys. Can you take it off, Woody? Oh god. Oh yes, you can take the poncho off Woody. It's a really rubbery plastic, so you can't take it off him. You can just have your normal Woody figure. He still looks great, but like the poncho just, oh my god, oh my god. Now that we've looked at the Aura Farmer himself, let's also take a look at his accessory, and he also comes with the little squeaky horse that he had. Of course, they were doing my boy so dirty, and he had to get on this little tiny ass horse. It's very cheap hollow plastic, no articulation like the Buzz one, but he can also sit on it, kinda. I don't know how, there we go. Yeah, there we go. There he is on there. And now that we've fully looked at Poncho Woody, let's take a look at him with some other figures. So first, like I did before, let's look at him with the toy.
Yes, sir.
We have the Interactables Woody. Again, he has the open head sculpt I'm not a big fan of. I think this Woody's head sculpt looks great. Other than that, it's pretty much the same figure, other than this one has the talking components and this one doesn't. And he, of course, has the poncho. Let's also take a look at him with the Toy Story 4 Mattel Woody figure. And this is the one I've been most excited, because as you can see, they have come a long way with the head sculpts. I mean, they only did a little bit more detail, and it just looks extremely better than the Toy Story 4 one. And of course, gotta take a look at Woody with his counterpart Aura Farmer, Snazzy Spider-Man. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you know I love Woody's poncho. It's got so much aura, but Snazzy Spider-Man, I mean, come on, like, it's Snazzy Spider-Man. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of these figures. What do you think of the figures?
Honest, no ass whooping. This is a pretty strange Buzz Lightyear. You can see different.
He hasn't seen the movie also.
I'm noticing the chrome on his purple head. And I think it's the same mold, right?
Yeah, the same mold.
So
they just did a little more, like, you can see like the texture here.
Yeah.
And in here.
It's good. Tight joints. That's always good.
He's new, yeah. What do we think of Woody?
Woody's pretty cool. Definitely different head sculpt.
That's what I was talking about for a while.
Which is nice.
The head sculpt's nice.
Gotta shine that boy, you know. Same body.
Yeah.
But pretty nice. What's it called?
Poncho.
Poncho. No bald spots.
I know. They never do it.
Maybe that's just the company being lazy. Who knows? But other than that, I like the head sculpt and he looks happy.
Yeah, he looks happy to be here.
It's pretty cool.
But yeah, guys, so let me know what you guys think of this 2-pack. It's genuinely really fun. I recommend picking it up. Well, I think I got it for like 25 bucks, which is pretty good for 2 great figures. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Aiden's getting covered by Woody. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to shut up and stop dragging this video out. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Any last words?
You got a friend in me.